Hello, it's Scott and welcome to your virtual video walk around. This is one of my favorites. This is the 2019, the Acura TLX. Stock number on this vehicle is 20273A. Let's take you on a virtual video walk around. This vehicle only has 10,000 miles, by the way, on it. This is the crystal black pearl exterior color, which I absolutely love. This TLX is sharp, sharp, sharp. This does have the 2.4 liter dual overhead cam. Means you're going to get a lot of aggressive power with this vehicle, but also very, very peace of mind and safe driving. The interior's got the leather, as you can see, power windows, locks, heated seats, fully loaded. There's a little moonroof action for us right there. And as we make our way, you're going to take a look at the dash, where it's very accessible from your easy fingertips to control. For more information on this vehicle or any others in our inventory, give us a call, email us, or text us. Better yet, come on down. We'd love to earn your business. We look forward to meeting you. Scott Tanner saying, make it a great day. Take care.